Hello guys, welcome to GameDwarF. Today I'm gonna show you how to check your hard disk drive or solid state drive health. Now follow my step. First open your browser and type penterasoft.com. Don't worry, I'm gonna put a direct link in my description. Then go to HDD health. Then click on freeware download. The download is completed. Then go to download programs, install the software. Next, I accept. Next, install, launch application, finish. You can see my hard disk health is 93% and it is at 43 degrees Celsius temperature. Manufacturer name, model, firmware revision, serial number, drive capacity, drive health, everything is given here. So subscribe our channel. If you need any help, comment below. That's for now.